a quick unboxing video of the Google Glass frames. Let's see what we got here. Nice. There we go. Yes, there we go. I like that the tape can actually be peeled off. From the top, not so much, but you just stick it on the bottom. And one over here. Peeled. And stick it under. And here we go. Nice case. Feels pretty good. That microfiber still a part of the design. Let's check out the insides for you to keep for your eye care provider. Great. And looks like it said directions. A couple more little nose pads and very nice microfiber cleaner. And here's the instructions. Great. Now let's take a look. Nice. There we go. Go bold. Nice design. And cool little screwdriver. Great. All right, well, let me try these on.